guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Reddit account step by step. First, open the Reddit app on your phone. Once the app opens, look at the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. This will take you directly to your personal profile where all your account options are available. It's important to start here because this is where all your account settings can be accessed. Now, on your profile screen, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. This opens the main menu of Reddit where you can manage your account, view subscriptions, and more. Think of this menu as the control center for your Reddit account. From the menu, scroll down until you see the Settings option. Tap on Settings to open all your account preferences. Here you can adjust privacy settings, notifications, and most importantly, delete your account. Scroll down in Settings until you see the Delete Account option. Tap on Delete Account, and Reddit will ask you to confirm your choice. Press Continue, and your account will be scheduled for permanent deletion. Remember, this action will completely remove your account and all your posts, so be absolutely sure before confirming. And that's it. That's how you can permanently delete your Reddit account safely and quickly. Always double-check before you delete, because once it's gone, all your posts and comments will be removed forever. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more easy tech tips and step-by-step guides.